Hi guys, I'm Pritam Shaladia.
I am Dhruvi Patel. We are co-founder of Nestin Architects, practicing since 2019. It is our pleasure to present you one of our interior design project of residential apartment, which is located in Surat, Gujarat.
The warmth of wood, earthy feeling of brick, textured grey tile and softness of muted colored fabrics with some green elements around are brought together to create this space. The design of main door has kept simple by only highlighting the circular handle as an element. At the entry, the passage has been differentiated through the black granite leading the way towards kitchen and bedroom and visually leaving the living space uninterrupted. To make the living room feel spacious, height of the ceiling at the entrance has kept low. The ceiling of the entrance and wall on the left side are rendered in same wooden finish to generate force towards opposite direction. The TV unit, the wall has kept plain white, moving forward towards sitting space. Other than sofa, the space contains an Indian sitting surrounded by the green elements. The form of the Indian sitting incorporates soft edges to ensure the informality and hominess. Moving forward to the brick cladding on the main wall, it adds warmth to the space which is enhanced by different groove pattern. It is giving identity to the house. The temple has hand carved murti made out of Makrana marble and temple itself have the elevational elements in wooden carving. Talking about the furniture, the edges of each and every element have been carved out from corners. The special concern has been given to the thickness of edges to make it look heavier. It takes lot of passion and craftsmanship to create such a complete space experience that matches client's requirement as well as designer's satisfaction. We would like to thank everyone who's part of this journey and thanks a lot for watching us. Thank you.